Are you recording me?
Yeah. Cause we're watching the video, the one we made a minute ago.
Yeah, we just made it a minute ago, and we're gonna make new slime.
What is that crap over there, Mariana?
Banana.
Well,
Now we're gonna see which one is more stretchy.
These are stuff for my LOL puzzle. This is the slime that we made.
this is the slime that I like it. Crap.
You gotta get covered a little bit.
I like that one.
This is slime.
Well,
We made.
let's see which one is more stretchy.
Comment down below if you guys want to see us make other slime with pink or green.
They can pick a slime.
Well, this used to be pink, but now it's purple.
Which one you like more?
No, we gotta do it fast so we can see which one is more stretchy. This one is not in, it's sticky. And this is the one I make. The one Mariana made. Super.
Thin.
Super cheapy, super. We
Here.
make that one
Then,
heavy
back
duty.
then.
This one.
Play with it and then see what color they
But that one
want.
we're gonna do it. Yeah.
Comment below.
Comment below. I got two glitter.
Everybody's looking around.
Mariana sabe tocar el
Good look.
saxofón.
Saxophone?
Mhm.
Instrument?
Oh.
Yeah.
A ver, tócalo.
That?
Yeah.
I know how to do it. And don't you dare do it in the vlog.
Mhm.
Don't you dare do it in the vlog.